Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of exploring in the LR3, a little post-Thanksgiving get out and explore. And we've up here in the state game lands of central Pennsylvania. I found a couple interesting trails to check out, including a cool water crossing. Yeah, always hard to tell what things look like on just on film, but it's a pretty gnarly little crossing. We're gonna hit it right now. Pretty rocky, especially with full PSI in my tires. For the drop in?
Yeah.
It doesn't look that dramatic when you're watching it, but you're in the car.
Oh shit.
You're kissing the... doing the thing. So when I was here probably 5 or so years ago, this used to be a lake, and now it's all dried up. I think it used to also be a campsite and some type of industrial mill back in the 1800s. I believe there's a railroad track that ran back here at some point. We're up near Ricketts Glen State Park. Oh, look, someone went down in there. Probably not a great idea, but yeah, cool bunch of trail networks back here, all state game land, so it is marked, there is roads, but you know, don't want to go too far, I guess, by yourself in these slippery, kind of snowy conditions, but it's all mild, mostly, oh, I heard the snow's really kind of coming in now. Mostly marked forest roads, but pretty fun to drive around on if you're looking to kill some time. Here's the remnants of, I guess this was some type of mill. Pretty cool to see these old structures, kind of see the foundations of them and whatnot down there. But also kind of fun to drive around on. This little hill climb real quick. You know, and that is, it's 100% the brilliance of the LR3, that you can take it on a highway ride in a normal suspension height, you know, look to kill some time, take it out, find some trails, air it up, and then go exploring without any worries. There you go. But yeah, neat area back here. Good for, again, good for just kind of tooling around and doing a little bit of exploration. seem to be out of the area now, so we're gonna turn around. This is what I would call LR3ing on a pretty smooth, dirt track back in the woods. Beautiful scenery, air rides working perfectly, and kind of let you keep your pace when you're leaving the area you just were. You don't have to mess around with anything or have too rough of a ride. I mean, this is 100% in its element. I think we're going 40, and it's just keeping up with everything. It's not overly juddery or bouncy. It's just nice, smooth, and compact. All right, day 2 in I guess Centralia State Park in kind of northern part of Pennsylvania. This is not an official off-road park, but it is the site of I guess you call it an abandoned town that had a coal fire in the 70s. Apparently a vein of coal that was higher up to the ground surface caught fire, and it didn't burn the town down, but it's been live under the town for almost 50 years. And most of the residents have left. There's not much really around here anymore. But it is a fun place to go kind of tool around and, do some mild, light off-roading, I guess, off the beaten path. Here, I think this is the site of the fire. There's a pit down there where it might have started. You can't really see, but pretty eerie, interesting little town. A lot of abandoned roads, places you can kind of tool around. So if you're ever up in this area, look up Centralia State Park. And do a couple crawling and stuff. There's a couple trails in the back. You used to be able to get to the abandoned highway portion of it, but that has since been cordoned off. But yeah, I think, and that's probably the end of this video. Just doing some exploring in the mountains of Pennsylvania. Feel free to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos. Appreciate it.